The Earth has been home to a staggering array of creatures over its billions of years of existence. Many of these beings were truly monstrous, their size, strength, and often bizarre adaptations making them the stuff of nightmares. While their existence adds a fascinating layer to our planet's history, there's no doubt that humans are fortunate they're no longer around. Here are 5 prehistoric monsters that I continue to bring to you. 6. Dunkleosteus. The armored fish monster, Dunkleosteus, a colossal armored fish with a bite force capable of crushing bone, was a terrifying predator that dominated the Devonian period. Its existence in the ancient oceans would have made life extremely perilous for any marine creature. Fortunately for the eventual emergence of humans, Dunkleosteus is now extinct. As an apex predator, Dunkleosteus controlled the marine ecosystem. Its presence would have limited the population of other fish species, preventing them from diversifying and evolving. By removing this formidable threat, the disappearance of Dunkleosteus allowed for the proliferation and adaptation of other marine life, creating a more complex and resilient underwater ecosystem. Moreover, the absence of Dunkleosteus and similar apex predators created opportunities for smaller fish species to thrive. These creatures were no longer confined to the lower levels of the food chain, forced to hide from the ever-present threat of being eaten. With the removal of this pressure, fish populations could expand and diversify, leading to the development of a wider range of species. The evolution of marine life, including fish, is closely linked to the development of life on land. Many early amphibians and reptiles relied on aquatic environments for food and reproduction. A thriving and diverse marine ecosystem provided a rich source of sustenance and habitat for these early land-dwelling creatures, which eventually led to the emergence of mammals, including humans. Furthermore, the specific environmental conditions that favored Dunkleosteus, such as warm, oxygen-rich waters, eventually changed. The Earth's climate cooled, and ocean conditions became less suitable for these giant armored fish. This created opportunities for other marine life to thrive, and it paved the way for the evolution of more modern fish species. In conclusion, while Dunkleosteus was a formidable and terrifying creature, its extinction was essential for the development of life on Earth, including humans. By creating opportunities for other marine life, reducing competition for resources, and contributing to the overall health of the oceans, the disappearance of this armored fish played a crucial role in shaping the world as we know it today. 7. Quetzalcoatlus, the giant pterosaur. Quetzalcoatlus, with its immense wingspan, was a truly awe-inspiring creature. As the largest flying animal ever known, it dominated the skies of the late Cretaceous period. However, its extinction proved to be a fortunate event for the eventual rise of humanity. As an apex predator, Quetzalcoatlus would have occupied a dominant position in its ecosystem. Its ability to fly gave it a significant advantage over land-based predators, allowing it to access a wider range of prey and territory. The disappearance of this aerial giant created opportunities for other species to fill the ecological niche it once occupied, leading to increased biodiversity and a more complex ecosystem. Moreover, the absence of Quetzalcoatlus and other large flying reptiles allowed for the diversification of smaller birds. These creatures were no longer confined to the ground or to competing with giant pterosaurs for food and territory. With the removal of this aerial threat, birds could evolve and adapt to new ecological niches, leading to the incredible diversity of avian life we see today. The evolution of birds is closely linked to the development of flowering plants. Many bird species play a crucial role in pollination, dispersing seeds, and controlling insect populations. A diverse and abundant bird population is essential for the health of terrestrial ecosystems, and this ultimately benefits humans through the provision of food, medicine, and other resources. Furthermore, the specific environmental conditions that favored Quetzalcoatlus, such as warm, open landscapes, eventually changed. The Earth's climate cooled, and the rise of flowering plants transformed the planet's vegetation. These changes made the environment less suitable for large pterosaurs, creating opportunities for other species, including mammals, to thrive. In conclusion, while Quetzalcoatlus was a magnificent creature, its extinction was essential for the development of life on Earth, including humans. By creating opportunities for other species, reducing competition for resources, and contributing to the overall health of the planet, the disappearance of this giant pterosaur played a crucial role in shaping the world as we know it today. 8. Arthropleura, the giant millipede. Arthropleura, a colossal millipede-like creature, was a dominant invertebrate during the Carboniferous period. Its immense size and predatory nature would have made it a formidable opponent for any creature sharing its environment. Fortunately for the eventual emergence of humans, Arthropleura is now extinct. As an apex invertebrate, Arthropleura likely controlled the population of other invertebrates and small vertebrates. Its presence would have limited the diversity and abundance of other species, hindering the development of more complex ecosystems. By removing this formidable predator, the disappearance of Arthropleura allowed for the proliferation and adaptation of other invertebrates, creating a more complex and balanced ecosystem. The absence of Arthropleura and similar giant arthropods created opportunities for smaller invertebrates to thrive. These creatures were no longer confined to the lower levels of the food chain, forced to hide from the ever-present threat of being eaten. With the removal of this pressure, invertebrate populations could expand and diversify, leading to the development of a wider range of species. The evolution of insects, in particular, was significantly influenced by the decline of giant arthropods like Arthropleura. Insects play a crucial role in pollination, decomposition, and nutrient cycling. A diverse and abundant insect population is essential for the health of terrestrial ecosystems, and this ultimately benefits humans through the provision of food, medicine, and other resources. Furthermore, the specific environmental conditions that favored Arthropleura, such as high oxygen levels and warm, humid climates, eventually changed. The Earth's climate cooled, and oxygen levels declined, making the environment less suitable for these giant arthropods. This created opportunities for other life forms, including reptiles and mammals, to thrive. In conclusion, while Arthropleura was a fascinating and imposing creature, its extinction was essential for the development of life on Earth, including humans. By creating opportunities for other invertebrates, reducing competition for resources, and contributing to the overall health of the planet, the disappearance of this giant millipede played a crucial role in shaping the world as we know it today. 9. Megatherium, the giant sloth. Megatherium, a colossal ground sloth, was an imposing figure in the Pleistocene epoch. Its massive size and strength would have made it a formidable opponent for any creature sharing its habitat. Fortunately for the eventual emergence of humans, Megatherium is now extinct. As a megafauna species, Megatherium played a significant role in shaping its environment. Its dietary habits, which likely included a variety of vegetation, would have influenced the composition of plant communities. However, the disappearance of this giant herbivore allowed for ecological changes and the potential for new plant species to thrive, leading to increased biodiversity. Moreover, the absence of Megatherium and other megafauna created opportunities for smaller mammals to flourish. These creatures were no longer in direct competition with these colossal herbivores for food and resources. With the removal of this pressure, smaller mammals could expand their populations and diversify, leading to the development of a wider range of species. The evolution of mammals, including our early ancestors, was significantly influenced by the decline of megafauna. As the Earth's climate changed and became colder, many large mammals, including Megatherium, faced challenges in adapting to the new conditions. This created opportunities for smaller, more adaptable mammals to thrive. The disappearance of Megatherium also contributed to the development of human civilization. Without the constant threat of encountering these giant creatures, early humans could focus on other challenges, such as finding food, shelter, and protection from other threats. This allowed for the development of agriculture, tool-making, and social structures which are fundamental to human society. Furthermore, the decline of megafauna, including Megatherium, is often linked to the arrival of humans. While the exact relationship between humans and megafauna extinction is still debated, it's clear that human activities such as hunting and habitat destruction played a role in their demise. By understanding the factors that led to the extinction of these giant creatures, we can gain valuable insights into the impact of human activity on the environment and develop strategies to protect biodiversity. In conclusion, while Megatherium was a remarkable creature, its extinction was essential for the development of life on Earth, including humans. By creating opportunities for other species, reducing competition for resources, and contributing to the overall health of the planet, the disappearance of this giant sloth played a crucial role in shaping the world as we know it today. 10. Enormous prehistoric insects. The Carboniferous period, a time of lush vegetation and abundant oxygen, gave rise to some truly monstrous insects. Creatures like Meganeura, a dragonfly with a wingspan of nearly 3 feet, and Pulmonoscorpius, a scorpion-like predator over a meter long, dominated the terrestrial ecosystem. Fortunately for the eventual emergence of humans, these colossal insects disappeared. The sheer size of these prehistoric insects would have made them formidable predators or competitors for any other creature sharing their environment. Their presence would have significantly limited the diversity and abundance of other life forms, hindering the development of more complex ecosystems. By removing these giant arthropods, the disappearance of these insects allowed for the proliferation and adaptation of other invertebrates, creating a more balanced and complex ecological web. Moreover, the absence of these colossal insects created opportunities for smaller insects to thrive. These creatures were no longer confined to the lower levels of the food chain, forced to hide from the ever-present threat of being eaten. With the removal of this pressure, insect populations could expand and diversify, leading to the development of a wider range of species. The evolution of insects, as we know them today, is closely linked to the decline of giant arthropods. Smaller insects were able to exploit new ecological niches, leading to the development of specialized roles within ecosystems. This diversification is crucial for the health of terrestrial environments, as insects play vital roles in pollination, decomposition, and nutrient cycling. Furthermore, the specific environmental conditions that favored giant insects, such as high oxygen levels and warm, humid climates, eventually changed. The Earth's climate cooled, and oxygen levels declined, making the environment less suitable for these colossal creatures. This created opportunities for other life forms, including reptiles, mammals, and eventually humans, to thrive. In conclusion, while the giant insects of the Carboniferous period were undoubtedly fascinating, their disappearance was essential for the development of life on Earth, including humans. By creating opportunities for other species, reducing competition for resources, and contributing to the overall health of the planet, the extinction of these colossal arthropods played a crucial role in shaping the world as we know it today. While these creatures may seem like something out of a horror movie, their existence is a testament to the incredible diversity of life that has existed on Earth. Their extinction, while sad in some respects, has undoubtedly made the planet a safer place for humans. Finally, if you find this video good, please click like and subscribe to the channel to support me.